Good morning, students. How are you? Once again, welcome. In previous lecture of lecture 4 of 10th class maths, we already discussed that how we will find out the volume of combination of solids. If we combine two or more than two solids, then how we will find out their volume. That is related to exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2, some questions we already completed. Now in today lecture we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 13.2. So first question we will discuss is that if we think about the glass in which water is filled, एक ग्लास है, ग्लास में क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स, वाटर फिल किया, एंड दैट ग्लास हैज द बॉटम पार्ट रेज्ड एज ए लाइक ए हेमिस्फीयर. जो ग्लास का बॉटम पार्ट है वो क्या है, रेज अपवर्ड लाइक ए हेमिस्फीयर. देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एक्चुअल कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ग्लास एंड हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द apparent कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ग्लास. नॉर्मली we calculate the apparent capacity of the glass. okay, normally जो calculate करते हैं वो क्या, उसकी apparent capacity calculate करते हैं. आपने कभी ये consider ही नहीं किया that the down part is raised upward like a hemisphere. So question is that a glass, a juicer glass, okay, down, that down part is raised upside, looks like a hemisphere, and also given to you that radius is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Then find actual capacity and apparent capacity of glass. So how we will find out the apparent capacity and how we will find out the actual capacity of the glass. So apparent capacity generally क्या, इसको क्या कंसीडर कर रहे हो, सपोज करो ये फिल है जूस से, that glass is completely filled with juice. यहाँ तक जूस से फिल कर दिया. So what is the radius, that is 7 centimeter, and what is the height of that one is 10 centimeter, right? So apparent capacity क्या होगा स्टूडेंट, जनरली we calculate the volume of the cylinder which gives us the apparent capacity of the glass, right? जनरली इसकी apparent capacity क्या है, अब जनरली ग्लास है, जूसर ग्लास लिया है, उसमें आपने क्या फिल कर दिया, जूस फिल कर दिया. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट जूस, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, जनरली यही करते हैं. सो apparent capacity of juicer glass is equals to pi r square h, right? Because generally we consider as a cylinder. So 22 upon 7, 7 multiply 10, cancel, 154 multiply 10, which will come 1540 centimeter cube. That is the apparent capacity of the juicer glass. बट आपको और क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल कैपेसिटी. बट इफ एक्चुअली हाउ मच जूस इज फिल्डेड इन दैट ग्लास, एक्चुअली में इसमें जूस कितना फिल है वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, राइट? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर में से डाउन पार्ट इज रेज्ड अपसाइड और नॉट, एंड विच लुक्स लाइक ए हेमिस्फीयर, वो किसकी तरह विजुअलाइज हो रहा है, हेमिस्फीयर की तरह विजुअलाइज हो रहा है. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द actual capacity of juicer glass. So what is the actual capacity of juicer glass is equals to apparent capacity of juicer glass minus volume of hemisphere. So what is the apparent capacity of the juicer glass? Is that 154.0 minus. What is the volume of the hemisphere? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 1540 minus 2 upon 3, 22 upon 7, 7. Cancel. Then 154 minus 44 multiply 49 upon 3. Then you will simplify, that will come in centimeter cube. So that is the actual capacity of the juicer glass. Understand? So how we will find out the apparent capacity of any container and how we will find out the actual capacity of any container. You understand? Apparent capacity क्या है? जनरली जो कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, सपोज किया आपने एक सिलेंडर लिया, उस सिलेंडर में क्या किया, वाटर फिल कर दिया, ओके, बट यू नॉट कंसिडर दैट देयर डाउनवर्ड पार्ट इज रेज्ड अपवर्ड और नॉट, और देयर बेस इज रेज्ड अपवर्ड और नॉट. क्या उसका जो बेस है वो ऊपर की तरफ सम इंक्लाइनेशन से ऊपर आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा? दैट यू नॉट कंसिडर. So calculate the volume of cylinder. But if you want to calculate actually what is the actual capacity of that one container, so you also consider its base. Base is downward or base is upward. That is the actual capacity of the glass. Understand? Now suppose that cylinder is in that shape. आपका cylinder इस shape में given है, glass here, and their bottom is raised downward. Their bottom is raised downward. So what is the capacity of that one glass? How we will find out, students? इस केस में इसकी कैपेसिटी कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, विच विल गिव्स अस द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दैट ग्लास. अंडरस्टैंड? सो किस पे डिपेंड करेगा स्टूडेंट्स? क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. Next example is, suppose we consider or we will find out the volume of a gulab jamun. In that also given to you that 30% sugar is present of its total volume. What? In a sweet dish. In a sweet dish, in a sweet dish that is given to you that 30% sugar is present. 30% sugar of its volume is present. In a sweet dish, 30% sugar of its volume is present, and which is in the shape of medicine capsule, whose length is 12 centimeter and a radius of each part is 1 centimeter, then find the total amount of sugar which is present in 45 sweets. So what is here? In one dish, sugar dish or sweet dish, 30% sugar is present. So how we will find out the total amount of sugar which is present in 45 pieces? So how we will calculate? Firstly, that given to you is in the shape of medicine capsule, and that sweet dish is a gulab jamun. Okay. Then in that gulab jamun, total length is given to you 10 centimeter, and radius of each end is 1 centimeter. So radius of each end 1 centimeter. So that is also 1 centimeter. That is also 1 centimeter. So what is the length of cylindrical part? Which will come 8 centimeter. Okay, but here 12 given, so 12 centimeter hai. Then length of cylinder will come 10 centimeter. Understand? Here total length of the gulab jamun is given. Medicine capsule shape में क्या होता है? गुलाब जामुन होता है. So total length of the gulab jamun is 12 centimeter, and their end diameters, ends radius is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So what is the effective length of the cylindrical part? 12 minus 1 minus 1, which will come 10 centimeter, right? After that, we will find out the volume of one piece. So how we will find out the volume of one piece? Is equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 multiply by volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder plus 2 multiply by volume of hemisphere. So what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h plus 2 multiply volume 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r square common, h plus 4 upon 3 r. Now substitute value 22 upon 7, 1 into 1, h is 10 plus 4 upon 3 into 1. 22 upon 7 multiply 3, 30 plus 4. 22 upon 7 multiply 34 upon 3. So that is the volume of one piece will come. Now also given to you that in a sweet dish 30% sugar of its total volume is present. Okay. Now in one piece the percentage sugar is 30%. So we will calculate amount of sugar in one piece is equals to 30% of volume. So 30 divide 100 multiply 22 multiply 34 upon 21, 0, 0 cancel, 3, 7. Then multiply 22 multiply 34 upon 70 centimeter cube. So that amount of sugar is present in one piece. One piece में इतनी amount sugar present है. So we will calculate the amount of sugar which is present in how many pieces? In 45 pieces. So that is, so amount of sugar which is present in 45 pieces is equals to 45 multiply 1, 22 multiply 34 upon 70. Right? Now simplify, that is the amount of sugar or volume of sugar which is present in 45 pieces. Understand question क्या था? You are having a gulab jamun whose total length is given to you and whose end radius are given to you. After that, also given to you that in one gulab jamun the sugar syrup is present 30% of its volume, total volume. Total volume का 30% क्या है? Sugar है. So we will calculate here the amount of sugar which is present in 45 gulab jamuns. So 45 gulab jamuns में calculate करना है. So how we will calculate, student? Firstly, we will calculate here that what is the volume of one piece of gulab jamun, वो calculate करनी है. After that, finding out the volume of one piece of gulab jamun, we find out here that the amount of sugar which is present in one piece is equals to 30% of total volume. Total volume का 30% calculate कर लिया. That is the sugar which is present in one piece. But here the total pieces are 45, so multiply by the 45. That will gives us answer that which is present in 45 pieces of gulab jamun of sugar. Next question देखो. Next question is, now an engineering student makes a model. एक engineering students क्या कर रहा है? एक model construct कर रहा है. In that model, what is given to you that a cylinder is connected with a cone at one end and other end a connected is a hemisphere. Okay, what is given to you? An engineering student makes a model in which one end is connected of the cylinder with a cone and another end connected with a hemisphere. Then find the mass of that if radius is r and height of cylinder is, radius consider कर लेते 7 centimeter, height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and height of cone is 1 centimeter. Also density is 10. तो we know density is equals to क्या होती है? mass upon volume, kg per centimeter cube. Then find mass of project. आपको क्या करना है? प्रोजेक्ट ओवर मॉडल. इस मॉडल या प्रोजेक्ट का क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? मास कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ दैट मॉडल? Firstly, that model is made up of 3 solids. So here the length of cylindrical part is 10 centimeter and the height of that conical part is 1 centimeter and radius is given to you 7 centimeter. So here a radius is 7 centimeter, H1 is 10 centimeter and H2 is the 1 centimeter. So volume of model is equals to, in that model 3 different solids are present or not? Here 3 different solids are present. So volume of model is equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, which will gives us the total volume of that model or not. So what is the volume of hemisphere? 2/3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder pi r square h1. What is the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h2. From here, firstly we will take out common. And why we will take out common? Because we want to convert that is in its simplest form. So simplest form में convert करोगे. So we will take out here pi r square is common. So 2/3 r plus h1 plus 1/3 h2. Now all values we know. 22/7. Radius is 7 into 7. 2/3 multiply 7. h1 is 10. 1/3 h2 is 5. 7 cancel. 154. Then 7 to 14/3 plus 10/1 plus 5/3. Now we will take out LCM. 154. LCM is 3. Then 14 plus 30 plus 5. So 154 multiply 30, 40, 49/3 will come. That is the volume of model और volume of that project. So आपने क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स? इसका टोटल वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट कर लिया. एंड व्हाट इज द टोटल वॉल्यूम? 154 into 49/3 will come. Now what we calculate here, actually we will find out the mass of the project. So how we will find out the mass of the project? We know that mass is equals to, क्या होता है? Mass equals to volume multiplied by the density, right? Density, what is density? Mass per unit volume, defined as density. So here mass is equals to volume multiplied by density. So what is the volume? 154 multiply 49/3. What is the density? Density is given to you 10. So answer will come 1540 multiply 49/3 kg. That is the mass of that model. आपने इस मॉडल का क्या कैलकुलेट कर लिया है? मास कैलकुलेट कर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इफ इन क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स आस्किंग what is the mass of that solid, so before find out the mass of that solid, firstly you will find out what you will find out here. Firstly you will find out the volume of that solid. After that multiply by the density, which will gives us the mass. Understand? Now next question, that is very very important question. These all questions is given in your NCERT books or either in addition books. Next question देखो. Suppose we want to make a pen holder and you have a cardboard is in the shape of cube. आपको क्या given है? क्यूबॉइड ले लो या क्यूब ले लो. एक शेप में है, क्यूब शेप में है या फिर क्यूबॉइड शेप में कार्डबोर्ड है. अब क्या करना है आपको स्टूडेंट्स में? पेन होल्डर बनाना है. सो हाउ वी विल मेक दैट पेन होल्डर और हाउ मच वुड इज यूज टू मेक दैट पेन होल्डर? सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट हियर. सपोज वी आर हैविंग ए कार्डबोर्ड एंड वी मेक हियर these types of shapes. So how we will find out the volume of the wood which is used to make that one pen holder? आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ वुड which is used to make that pen holder. So how we will find out here? We find that shape is also in cone, that is also in cone, and that is also in the form of cone. So how we will find out volume of wood which is used to make pen holder is equals to volume of cuboid minus how many cones are present here? Here 3 cones are present here. So 3 multiplied by the volume of cone. So what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H minus 3 multiply 1 upon 3 pi r square H1 cancel. L multiply B multiply H minus pi r square H1. Now in given question आपको लेंथ गिवन होगी, ब्रेड्थ गिवन होगी, हाइट गिवन होगी, रेडियस ऑफ दैट कॉनिकल पार्ट इज ऑल्सो गिवन एंड हाइट ऑफ दैट कॉनिकल पार्ट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. Then on the basis of that you will get the understand. So this type of question is present that how we will find out the volume of the solid. So this is all about of exercise 13.2. Okay, so you complete exercise 13.2 with an example. And students, in RD Sharma many questions are given on the basis of how we will find out the volume of combination of solids. Okay, in lecture, next lecture, lecture number 6, we will discuss exercise 13.3. So in exercise 13.3 is we will discuss that how we will convert one shape into another shape, that we will discuss in exercise 13.3, and that is very very important exercise of chapter 13. So that we will discuss in next lecture. Today lecture, after watching that one, you will complete exercise 13.2 with examples. Okay, thank you.